Watch AI create a complete facility damage and repair dashboard from scratch in under 2 minutes. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Facility repairs, costs, and damage types. Let's create it live. We start by importing our data file. Within seconds, it's uploaded and ready. Now we click Create Dashboard and watch the magic happen. Bricks AI is analyzing our facility data, identifying key patterns in repair costs, damage types, and inspector performance. It's automatically determining the most valuable insights and selecting optimal chart types. The system is building monthly expense trends, breaking down costs by raw materials, tracking repairs by inspector, and analyzing expenses by facility and damage type. It's also creating summary tables for damage categories and identifying the most expensive repairs. Our facility damage and repair dashboard is complete with 4 interactive charts and 2 detailed tables. We can instantly customize the theme to match our brand. Now let's enter presentation mode for stakeholder meetings. This full-screen view eliminates distractions and highlights our key metrics. Charts remain fully interactive even in presentation mode, perfect for executive briefings and data discussions. Back to edit mode, we can scroll through all our visualizations and make real-time adjustments. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.